So, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to go through the section A of machine learning and data science. So, we are going to discuss about the fill in the blanks of data science. Let's get started with the first question. Question number 1 and question number 2 are here on the screen. Probability and distribution. So, if you see in question number 1, so here you know Bayes theorem, right? In this theorem, we basically update our probability after getting some new information. So, in Bayes theorem, you see the formula here. The missing term is P B upon A. So here P B upon A is the term in the numerator that updates belief. So if you look at the formula, the missing part is P B upon A. So the answer is P B upon A. Now next question. The 68, 95, 99.7 rule describes the probability mass of which distribution? So in normal distribution, you know very well 68% data lies within 1 HD, 95% within 2 HD and 99.7% within 3 HD. So you have definitely seen this bell-shaped curve. This curve tells us how the data is spread around the mean. And this only happens in normal distribution, right? So answer is normal distribution, also known as Gaussian distribution. Now next, move on to the next question. The metric that measures uncertainty gain when replacing distribution A with B is called. Now imagine you have two probability distribution A and B. You want to know how different is B from A, or how much information do I lose or gain if I replace A with B. So that measure is called Kullback-Leibler divergence, or simply we say KL divergence. So KL divergence measures that difference. So the answer is Kullback-Leibler divergence. Now next question, question number 4. Ridge uses which penalty and Lasso uses which penalty of L? So Ridge uses L2 penalty and Lasso uses L1 penalty, which can even make some coefficient exactly 0. So answer is L2 and L1. Now next question, moving ahead. A model that performs well on training but fails on unseen data suffers from. Here we talk about when a model memorizes the training data instead of learning patterns. So you test it on a new data, it fails. So this condition is called as overfitting. So question number 5, answer is overfitting. Now next, moving ahead. In logistic regression, coefficients are estimated using which likelihood function? You already know logistic regression works on probability. So it tries to find the best parameter by maximizing the correct likelihood. So we use maximum likelihood. Answer is maximum likelihood. Question number 7. The SVM hyperplane. SVM full form is support vector machine. SVM hyperplane that maximizes distance between classes is called the margin hyperplane. In SVM, the whole idea is to find a boundary that keeps two classes as far apart as possible. This boundary is called the maximum margin hyperplane. So the answer is maximal margin hyperplane. Question number 8. K means minimize within cluster sum of question mark. Whenever we do clustering, especially K means the algorithm tries to reduce the distance between data points and the cluster center. Specifically, it minimizes sum of squares. So the answer is squares. Moving ahead with question number 9. PCA first principal component captures maximum data. The first principal component in PCA captures maximum. You know PCA is used for dimensionality reduction. The first principal component is the direction with the highest information. That means variance, data variance. PCA first principal component captures maximum data variance is the correct answer here. Moving ahead with question number 10. CNN are effective for which data and RNN for which data? So basically CNN looks at the pattern in space, perfect for images, whereas RNN understands sequences, perfect for text, audio and time series. So answer is CNN captures images, whereas RNN captures sequential or we say ordered data. Next question number 11 and 12, which are from TensorFlow and Hadoop. So when we discuss about question number 11 in TensorFlow operations from a computational, everything in TensorFlow works like steps in a flowchart. This is steps from a computational graph. So answer is graph. Question number 12, Hadoop's distribution storage system is called what? This is basically big data. Hadoop main storage system is HDFS, which is fault tolerant and scalable. So answer is HDFS, which is a big data main storage system. Stores a huge amount of data, we can see. Now next, question number 13. A SQL query combining row from tables using which clause? Whenever you combine table, you use join. Here the answer is join clause. Question number 14. Python collection that ensures unique element is called a. So in Python, the only connection that always keep element unique. So the set of collection of unique element. Here set, which I told you, in Python only connection that always keeps element unique is a set. So a set automatically removes duplicates and stores only unique values. Now last question, bootstrapping samples replacements. In bootstrapping, you pick samples and put them back so they can be chosen again. That means sampling with replacement. And you can pick samples, put them back so they can be chosen again in future. So answer is with replacement. So yeah, that was all from section A. I hope you understand each concept clearly. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy explanations. See you in the next video. Thank you.